How to change your Spotify date of birth. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, to change your date of birth, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy option you see there. Further, you will see the option for account, so tap on the account option and then tap on the email option you see there. You will then be redirected to Spotify.com. So in here, scroll through and navigate to the date of birth tab and then go ahead and make any required changes that you want. Once you are done making the required changes, tap on the Save Profile option you see there, and with this, your date of birth will be changed. So this is how you can change your Spotify date of birth. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.